My Maxwell Black Summer's Night album was deleted off of my hard drive, my portable hard drive. I have two portable hard drives. I have each are backed up. This is the backup for my my other portable hard drive. You can see it here, and it's a little bit dark. Let's see if I can make it a little bit invisible. Here it is. And now, of course, with mind control and subliminal messaging, I was looking online for the album song list, and I was actually typing in the names of the individual songs. And of course, you see here it says Maxwell has a song called Help Somebody. Here there's a song called Help Somebody Please, and that's by, let's see, by the OJs. And of course, Bad Habit is a song by Destiny's Child. Right here, Destiny's Child, Bad Habit. I'm going to go down this list and see what other type of subliminal messages they send. Let's see. Stop the world. So no songs for Stop the World. Let's go down this list. Let's see. Love You. All About You. That's by Will Downing. Yeah, Will Downing. Let's see. Okay, so no Love You by Maxwell. Let's see. Fistful of Tears. So this is how the mind control subliminal messaging works. They delete something, and then they'll send you command by silent sound, radio waves, or through satellite to look for whatever that was deleted. And as you're scrolling through, they're sending you all these subliminal messages about that you think is all about you. Help somebody. And this is, of course, I'm single, and they are basically sterilizing me. They're tampering my food, my water. My scrotum hardly produces any sperm. I eat healthy. I work out. I exercise. I had no problems before. I should have no problems now, but because of what they're doing, this is what's happening. And then they're sending like a lot of these ladies, but these single ladies with children, and basically sending me subliminal messages. Okay, well, you're not having any kids unless or you're not going to be in a relationship unless it's something about marriage. But look, I don't want to be married. Nah, no, thank you. It's not for me. It's not for everybody. And I wish they would stop pushing their religious ideologies on people. Not just pushing, but also torturing and mind controlling you to believe, to try to indoctrinate you, for you to be silent when you speak up against them and whatever, you know, they're doing. So this is one of these things where, you know, you have to say to yourself, well, where did my album go? Where did my album go? And I'm showing you as I scroll, you know, the subliminal messages and all this kind of stuff. And I'm like, where did my album go? I mean, why are they so hell-bent on trying to invade every aspect of my life? Privacy. There's something called church and state. There's the separation of church and state. And they just don't understand that.